Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Financial Mo. I'm Mo, and today, we're delving into a crucial topic that impacts all of us, mastering the art of retirement planning, a step-by-step guide. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your retirement plan, this video is packed with insights to help you navigate the path towards a secure retirement. So, let's dive in. Understanding retirement planning. To begin, let's understand the essence of retirement planning. It's not just about saving money, it's about securing your future. Many people harbor misconceptions about what retirement planning entails. We'll debunk those myths and lay the foundation for a solid retirement strategy. Setting retirement goals. Now that we've established the importance of retirement planning, let's talk about setting goals. What kind of lifestyle do you envision during your retirement? We'll explore how to determine your goals, considering factors like inflation and other variables that could impact your plan. Assessing current finances. Assessing your current financial situation is a critical step. We'll guide you through evaluating your income, expenses, and savings. Understanding where you stand now is key to making informed decisions for your future. Calculating retirement needs. Estimating your future expenses is a vital aspect of retirement planning. We'll delve into how to calculate your retirement needs, including considerations for healthcare costs and potential emergencies that might arise. Choosing the right retirement accounts. With the numbers in mind, it's time to explore the various retirement accounts available. We'll provide an overview of popular options such as RRSP and TFSA, discussing the tax implications and benefits associated with each. Investment strategies for retirement. Investing wisely is crucial for a successful retirement plan. We'll talk about diversification, risk management, and how to balance risk and return based on your retirement timeline. Maximizing employer benefits. For many, employer-sponsored retirement plans are a significant part of the puzzle. We'll discuss how to make the most of these plans, including matching contributions and other benefits your employer might offer. Social Security and other income streams. Social Security and additional income streams can play a pivotal role in retirement. We'll break down Social Security benefits, eligibility, and explore other potential income sources to bolster your financial security. Creating a retirement budget. Building a realistic budget is the cornerstone of successful retirement planning. We'll share strategies for managing expenses and maintaining financial stability throughout your retirement years. Healthcare in retirement. Healthcare costs are a significant consideration in retirement. We'll guide you through planning for these expenses and discuss various options for health insurance after you retire. Estate planning and legacy. Looking beyond your lifetime, estate planning is crucial. We'll discuss the importance of creating a will, trust, and planning for beneficiaries to ensure your legacy is protected. Adapting the plan over time. Life is full of surprises, and your retirement plan should be flexible. We'll talk about reviewing and adjusting your plan as circumstances change and navigating unexpected challenges. Retirement lifestyle choices. Retirement is not just about finances, it's about lifestyle. We'll explore potential lifestyle changes, from travel to new hobbies, and help you envision the fulfilling retirement you deserve. Seeking professional advice. When it comes to retirement planning, seeking professional advice can be a game changer. We'll discuss the role of financial advisors, when to seek their assistance, and how they can enhance your plan. Common pitfalls to avoid. It's essential to learn from the experiences of others and identify common pitfalls in retirement planning. We'll guide you on how to avoid these mistakes and navigate the road to retirement smoothly. CONCLUSION. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've covered in Mastering the Art of Retirement Planning, a step-by-step guide. I encourage each of you to take action, start, or refine your retirement plan. Remember, the journey to a secure retirement begins with a single step. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy planning.